Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing today's market update. We start in London, where fears have cooled that the UK tech firms may leave the city to head for Berlin. After the Brexit vote, speculation grew that London tech companies would look to move elsewhere, aided by an audacious German campaign group urging fintech businesses to relocate to Berlin. However, those that took up the offer have not found things as easygoing in the German capital, where issues with company registration, setting up bank accounts and finding office space have made for a turbulent transition. Consequently, leading fintech companies still see London as the best option, with other cities such as Berlin not tailored for fintech companies. In currency news, the euro experienced fluctuations yesterday after ECB President Mario Draghi failed to provide any clues about the outlook for Eurozone monetary policy. Negative interest rates and the EU quantitative easing programme remained unchanged, with Draghi not hinting at any modification to the €80 billion ECB package. During a 15-minute spell, the euro leapt half a cent against the dollar, only for the single currency to then settle back where it started, after Draghi failed to clarify an end date to the quantitative easing programme. In commodities, Schlumberger, the world's largest oilfield services group, has stated that oil prices are coming to the end of their struggles, with the company reporting higher than expected earnings for the 3 months leading up to September. However, Chief Executive Paul Gibsgaard has suggested that the industry must not expect a strong broad-based recovery next year. Deutsche Bank shares experienced a rare increase yesterday as hopes mounted that major Middle East and Chinese investors were prepared to back the struggling lender if it wishes to raise more capital. Shares jumped 4.2% as reports stated that foreign investors would lift their combined stake by as much as 25% if the lender decides to tap shareholders for more funds. In indices, the UK 100 closed 18.4 points up at yesterday's close and is currently trading at just above the 7,000 mark. The Germany 30 increased by 60.1 points yesterday, whilst the France 40 finished 20.6 points up at the close. Both indices are trading down this morning. In corporate news, British American Tobacco has made an offer to fully acquire Reynolds American, in which it already holds a 42.2% stake. The company also made an interim management statement, reporting revenue growth of 18.1% in the 9 months to the 30th of September. Intercontinental Hotels has reported a 1.3% growth in revenue per available room in its third quarter. It opened 7,000 new rooms during the period. In upcoming data, 9:30, UK public sector net borrowing figures for September are released. At 1 p.m, EU Leaders Summit will begin. At 3 p.m, European consumer confidence figures for October are announced. And at 3:15 p.m, US Federal Reserve member Daniel Tarullo gives his speech. Thank you for listening.